everyone, Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel and to Vlogtober. So today is cooking day, and because Paul is not here, I find myself having not the best food possible. I eat a lot of toast and yeah. So anyway, I decided, thanks to the inspiration from Bunches of Lunches, if you guys don't know her channel, I'll link it below. She's unbelievable. But I'm gonna make like breakfast sandwiches to put in the freezer, because basically when I get up in the morning, I tend to have just a quick coffee, and then after I drop off Alex from school and I've tidied up a bit, like around 10:30, I'll have breakfast. So then I tend to not have anything for lunch. So I want to make a bit of a heartier lunch, if that brunch. So anyway, let me show you what I have in mind. So I'm going to make, I've got all my ingredients here. Let me just put this here. This is my favorite type of bread, the seeded Warburtons. Alex doesn't like this, so I end up not buying it, not to waste it. So, but I thought if I freeze it, it'll be fine. So I am going to make some egg and sausage sandwiches, and then I'm also going to make just some egg with cheese and ham. You guys will see how I'm going to do it. This is probably what I'll end up using: salt, pepper and garlic powder. And yeah, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is cook the sausages. I also just found some chorizo sausage and I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to open the sausages up and just get the meat out and cook it almost like mince. So let's get going. I'm just going to mince it in the Thermomix. Put the chorizo in the Thermomix and I'm going to dice it. But if you don't have a Thermomix, just dice it finely. So this is what it looks like after 8 seconds at speed 5. Now I've just added the sausages without the skin, and there you go. So the first batch is in the oven, as you guys saw. I've prepped the second batch, which is gonna have the sausages in. I'm just waiting for them to cool down slightly. I think I've got time to make my favorite lentil soup, so let's go. Usually I would use onions, but I didn't have any. I did have some leeks frozen, so I'm going to use that instead, and some garlic and oil. I'm going to fry that up as a starter. The first batch of eggs is out. It's lovely and cooked. Just going to leave it here to cool down, and we're going to get the other lot ready. So the soup is boiling away. I don't know, my cooker, even though it's on number 2 there, it's boiling like it's on number 8. I can't seem to control the cooker. I don't know what that's about. It's either on and hot or off. Anyway, I've shown you guys, I took that off the tray. It's just cooling down here. It's really important to let it cool completely so it doesn't make your bread soggy. So I'm gonna wait until it's completely cold. The second lot is in there. And then all I have to do is build the sandwiches. I got these tip and zip bags from Home Bargains a few months back. I don't actually have a Home Bargains near me anymore, but these, I've never used them before, but check it out. They're not huge, but I think they'll be perfect to put single servings, you know. So I've filled in 3, and then if I need more, I'll do more. So the lentils and the other stuff are cooked. I checked to see if there was enough salt, added a bit extra salt, and now I'm gonna blitz it with this. This soup is so delicious, you guys. Now, in theory, you would use fresh lemon. I didn't have any, so I just used that stuff that you guys saw me use. I'm gonna leave it to cool down now. And in the meantime, check it out. This is cold, so I'm gonna do these sandwiches as well. I forgot to say, I repackaged the sandwiches into halves. I just think that maybe one might be too much, especially if I decide that I want to have a little bit of soup I get a half out and then a bowl of soup and ta-da, we're done. But if I just want to have a sandwich, then I can take 2 bits out. I have put them in a little tray. Let's do the other ones. These are the leftovers I have. I would have made more with these leftovers, but I've run out of bread, so I'll have these for dinner tonight with a little bowl of soup. Here we are, guys, all ready to go in the freezer. I've made labels that say brunches, sandwiches, egg, sausage and cheese, and then the date, and these ones are the egg and cheese and ham. And then the soups are in the little bags. And then the leftovers, I'm going to have it tonight. And here they are in the freezer. And here's my dinner. I got a brioche bun out of the freezer and toasted it and put some of the leftover eggs. It might be a bit too much eggs, but and then a little bit of soup as well. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.